piece that Belcanto will be singing is O Pastorelle Addio, from an Italian opera by Umberto Giordano. And the gals studied the opening of the opera. This is from the first act. And at this point, they represent essentially a guest ensemble that will be performing for the royal court and all of the guests there that evening. And they're singing a song saying, farewell, farewell, O shepherd, we will miss you and our heart will be broken without you. This is O Pastorelle Addio by Giordano.